Hello and welcome to today's video where I will be discussing importance of learning graphic design for beginners. As an expert graphic designer, I believe that this skill is not only valuable but essential in today's digital age. First and foremost, learning graphic design allows you to unleash your creativity and express yourself through visual communication. Whether you are designing a logo, a poster, or a website, the possibilities are endless. It is a great way to showcase your talent and stand out in a competitive market. Secondly, graphic design is a highly sought-after skill in various industries such as advertising, marketing, and web design. With the right skills and knowledge, you can work as a freelancer, in-house designer, or even start your own design agency. The demand for graphic designers is constantly growing, offering plenty of opportunities for earning a stable income. So, where can you learn graphic design? There are plenty of online resources, tutorials, and courses available for beginners. Websites like Skillshare, Udemy, and YouTube offer a wide range of tutorials that cover everything from the basics to advanced techniques. Additionally, you can also consider enrolling in a formal graphic design program at a college or university. In conclusion, learning graphic design is a rewarding journey that can lead to a fulfilling career and endless opportunities for growth and success. So, if you are passionate about art and design, I highly recommend diving into the world of graphic design and unleashing your creativity. Thank you for watching